The Roseburg School District is proposing a bond measure that, if passed, would make repairs or improvements to safety and security systems, vocational education, indoor air quality, heating and cooling systems, and technology infrastructure at every school in the district. This proposal would also include dedicated gym space that would be open to the community as emergency shelters at 5 elementary schools, and replace the Heritage or Old Main building built in the 1920s at the high school with a safe learning and teaching environment for students and staff. Generally speaking, the projects would be meant to extend the life of the district's resources and infrastructure. This proposal is estimated at $94 million and, if passed, would cost taxpayers an estimated $1.27 per $1,000 of assessed value.
The Roseburg School Board has identified $99.8 million in proposed projects. The current proposal includes a matching grant from the state of Oregon for $5.88 million. If the measure passes, taxpayers would pay taxes on a total of $94 million, and the Roseburg School District would receive the $5.88 million in matching funds for a total of $99.8 million.
If the bond levy is not passed, the Roseburg School District would not receive the matching funds.
The Roseburg School Board determined the proposed GO bond amount based on the amount that would provide for the completion of the proposed projects.
If the levy passes, the projects identified by the Roseburg School Board are safety and security improvements district-wide, such as controlled school entrances, automatic door locks, security cameras, and communication systems. Schedule renovations and improvements district-wide, such as improving indoor air quality, replacing roofs, paint, siding, plumbing, and other capital repairs.
Energy-saving projects at every school, such as heating and ventilation systems and upgraded electrical systems for consistent learning environments during both warm and cold weather months. New multi-purpose gymnasiums located at elementary schools across the district that would also serve as community emergency shelters. Make technology infrastructure upgrades such as wiring, cabling, and wireless access points throughout the district so students and staff can have better access to technology.
And rebuild the Heritage or Old Main building at the high school with the latest security and safety standards, and would meet all of the new building codes, including seismic and fire codes, and provide additional classroom space for high school students.
Since approving a bond in the year 2000, taxpayers inside the Roseburg School District have paid an average rate of 64 cents per $1,000 of assessed value between 2001 and 2020. The current bond levy expires in December of 2020. If passed, the new rate would be $1.27 per $1,000 of assessed value beginning in November of 2020, a difference of 63 cents per $1,000 of assessed value on average. If the levy is not passed, the tax would not go into effect and the projects would not be completed.
For example, if approved by voters, a property owner inside the Roseburg School District with an assessed value of $100,000 would pay approximately $127 per year, or an increase of $63 per year over the average current rate. A property owner inside the Roseburg School District with an assessed value of $200,000 would pay approximately $254 per year, or an additional $126 per year over what they are currently paying on average if the levy passes. If the levy is not passed, the tax would not go into effect and the projects would not be completed.
State law prevents the bond funds from being spent on salaries or PERS for teachers or administrators. Assessed and appraised, or real market values, define the worth of a home slightly differently from each other. Assessed values represent what the county uses to determine property taxes, while the appraised, or real market value, is a current market valuation, often used during the home sale process. To determine the assessed value of your home, visit the link on your screen.
Visit roseburgbondlevy.com for more information.